Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to easily find the system settings on your Mac. I'm going to show you 3 main ways to access them. First up, the most straightforward way. Just click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. Then click on System Settings, and boom, the System Settings application opens right up. Now for method number 2, using Spotlight Search. Usually, you'll see a magnifying glass icon at the top of your screen. But if you don't, just use the keyboard shortcut, Command and Spacebar. Spotlight Search lets you find anything on your Mac. Just type System Settings, and as you can see, it pops right up. And finally, the third way, using your Launchpad. To do this, use 3 fingers and a thumb to do a pinching gesture on your trackpad, if you have a MacBook of course. From here, you can see all the applications on your Mac and search for them. You can also find and click on the System Settings application directly in the Launchpad. Oh, and one more bonus tip. If you have the System Settings app in your dock, you can simply click on the app icon to open it up. Easy peasy. So, if this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Rome Tips for more handy Mac tips and tricks.